So continuing with our connection between force and the change in momentum, we get to the next outcome that we had in Science 20. We'll explain how an unbalanced force causes a change in motion and apply Newton's first law of motion to explain an object's state of rest or uniform motion. So it's good to review Newton's first law. An object in motion tends to stay in that same rectilinear motion, and an object at rest tends to remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. So, if the force acting on an object is zero, well then the change in momentum, or the impulse, will also be zero. And yes, that is zero as a vector because vectors are equal vectors. You have to have the same mathematical objects. This is the only vector where the direction is ambiguous, because if it's got magnitude 0, what does it matter which direction it's facing? But this is going to be our key. So we need to have a force, and our force is going to be the change in momentum over change in time. So here is the connection between Newton's first law and an object's state of rest or uniform motion. So if the acceleration is 0, the force is 0, the change in momentum is 0. So this is that concept that we put together back in Science 20.